Samsung is finally listening to the consumer for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. After the launch of Z Fold 4, we started getting information regarding the Z Fold 5, and this time it's about the new upcoming S Pen. If you are the one who like to have a built-in S Pen in the Galaxy Z Fold 5, then the good news is here. As per a report from South Korea, Samsung is trying to put S Pen in the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Although Samsung did try with the Z Fold 4, but due to space limitation, we didn't get a chance to see the built-in S Pen in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Not only that, Samsung is also trying to drop the weight on the Z Fold 5, which is a big challenge since adding the S Pen along with the weight loss would be a big challenge. Not only that, with the Z Fold 5, we might see the slimmer design on the Z Fold 5. If you didn't like the crease on the Z Fold 4, then we might see a reduced crease on the Z Fold 5. But you'll get the same single hinge design just like we have seen on the Z Fold 4 because it gives us an IPX rating for the waterproofing. Samsung tried to drop the weight on the Z Fold 5 and they are working on vibration motors, and that material should be reduced in weight but with the same quality standard as the Z Fold 4. The battery is something we all been worried about, and we should be, since if Samsung add the S Pen slot in the Z Fold 5, there will no chance that we will see a bigger battery in the Z Fold 5. But with the new power efficient processor and a new feature called light mode could help Z Fold 5 last a full day with the 4400 mAh battery. The charging speed could be the same as Z Fold 4 25 watt but will come with the better charging algorithms. We might see camera updates on the Z Fold 5, and according to some reports, the selfie shooter is getting an update, but we might see big camera update in the back cameras, maybe 108 megapixel just like we have seen on the S22 Ultra, but due to space issues, chances are there Samsung might stick with the 50 megapixel camera just like the Z Fold 4, but a telephoto shooter will get an update and also a new UDC under display camera. As per recent reports, Samsung is also working on a budget foldable device, since as per Samsung claims, the foldable markets will grow 80% by the end of the 2025. As per Samsung history, we might see the Z Fold 5 next year in August along with the Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Watch 6. If you want to see the Galaxy S23 Ultra spotted online, then you guys should check this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.